I'm not alone, and I can really be honest here and talk about the problems that I have.
That's the mission of the Chronic Pain Workshop.
And it teaches them how to plan and pace, how to talk to their healthcare professionals, how to eat, exercise. And it's not exercise to build muscle, it's move. We just have to move.
Tasks that can seem impossible for people living with chronic pain.
If you're in pain, you're willing to do anything to be out of that pain.
Monica Vaughn participated in the 6-week workshop in hopes of finding helpful tips to manage her chronic pain.
The breathing techniques, when you start getting stressed out, the breathing techniques that we use really help to calm you down.
The complimentary class is offered in multiple locations throughout Lee County. The mission is to teach participants coping skills while showing them they're not alone on their journey.
This class has really brought me so much hope and lifted my spirits up because I was feeling pretty defeated.
Through peer support and different lessons, participants can try new techniques to cope with their pain.
The class is designed to be run by your peers, so it's a much different slant, and I think it helps people because they're not listening to an expert per se. They're listening to people that are just like themselves that have chronic pain.
Learning how to manage their pain naturally, participants can achieve a better quality of life. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.